Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Ford EcoSport. First, the easiest way is using your key fob. Simply press the unlock button once to open just the driver's door. If you need access to all doors and the trunk, press the unlock button twice. This is perfect for quick entry or loading groceries. What if your key fob battery dies? Don't worry, you can still get in. Locate the hidden key blade within your fob, pull it out, then insert it into the keyhole on the driver's side door. Give it a turn clockwise, and the door will manually unlock. It's a reliable backup method. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. And speaking of journeys, stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It's perfect for your EcoSport adventures. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. For a more modern approach, the Ford Pass app offers great convenience. After downloading and setting up the app, link your Ford EcoSport to your account. You can then remotely unlock your vehicle from almost anywhere using your smartphone. It's incredibly handy if you've locked your keys inside or need to grant access. If you're having trouble, first check your key fob battery. A dead battery is a common culprit. Also, ensure there's no strong signal interference blocking the fob's signal. If these basic checks don't resolve the issue, it might be time to consult a professional or your Ford dealership for further assistance. They can diagnose complex problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.